welcome to the video on Python variable length keyword argument. Okay, so we know the function, we know how to pass the value to the function, right? In this video, we are going to talk about how to pass a variable length key value pair as an argument to a function, right? For example, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. It's like a key value pair, right? So how to pass all these key value pairs to a function, right? Okay, let us take an example. Let us create one function name. Okay, let it be as it is. No need to write anything, and just will write pass. Later we can write the logic behind that. And let us call the function. Okay, now we need to pass key value pairs, right? Now we need to pass the key value pairs, that is keyword arguments. For example, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, F name equal to, I'll take a string now, first name equal to John, and the last name I can consider as Smith, right? Okay, fine. So I have passed the key value pair, right, as an argument, right? So these are variable length, right? Okay, how to receive this particular arguments in the function header, right? We need to write the parameter accordingly, right? So how to write it? The representation is all about double star. Then you can write the variable name, whatever you would like to. Okay, but I'm going to write the standard way, keyword args. Okay, means we are giving the keyword arguments. Double star indicates that we have the variable length arguments. Okay, so, okay, now let us write what will be the keyword arguments if we are printing inside the function. Okay, you can check it. Okay, you can see we got the output in the form of dictionary, right? That is nothing but a key value pairs. Key value, right? So it's a key value pairs. So I can say that the type of the keyword arguments is all about dictionary, right? Okay, let us prove that. Let us check what is the type of it. Okay, yeah, we got it, class dictionary, right? Fine. So this is how we are giving a variable length keyword arguments. Okay, so how we are going to write the parameters accordingly, double star keyword args, right? Okay, let us take one example to perform some operation on that keyword arguments. Let us define add arguments. Let us not to write anything, just will write pass. Okay, now let us call the function, right? Okay, we can give the variable length keyword arguments. Let us consider A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, and G equal to some 10. Okay, fine, right? Okay, now we have keyword arguments, right? Then we need to write the parameter accordingly, right? So what is the representation? Double star EW args, right? So in this example, we are going to add all the keyword values. Okay, so since it is a dictionary, we can do for loop operation, right? Before doing for loop, let us create one temporary variable, result equal to 0. Then we can apply for loop for the dictionary x in, what is the dictionary here? KW args. Okay, we have key value pairs. We want to only the values to be taken. So let's call the function values. Okay. Now let us add all the keyword args in the temporary variable equal to x, right? Now we'll write return result. Okay, let us execute it. Okay, we got 16, right? Let us verify that. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Okay, this is how we are going to perform a key value pairs, which is given in the arguments to the function, and the representation is double star keyword args, right? And the type of the keyword arguments are in the form of and dictionary, and we can perform any operation on dictionary data type, right? Okay. Thank you, everyone.